Another business that we own is Superloop. So that's a telco business. It's about 750 mil market cap. They're a leading disruptive high growth telco in consumer. They've got about 7% share of NBN new subs. They use two brands, Superloop and Exitel. And also they provide businesses with different telco solutions and wholesale markets. So they've got 100 kilometers of fiber network. Very strong organic and acquisitive growth. In FY24, they should do about 400 mil of revenue, 52 mil of EBITDA. Now, what's interesting is that Superloop recently got after the February half-year results, they got a takeover offer from their competitor, Aussie Broadband, at about 95 cents to $1. And at the time when this was going on, one of Aussie Broadband's largest white label customer was Origin Energy. Now, Origin Energy, for its broadband offering, uses companies like Aussie Broadband to provide it with the NBN connections and the customer service and so on, and they use the Origin brand to sell it to their customers. So what Superloop did, it pretty much stole that Origin contract from Aussie Broadband in a very clever deal, where it gave Origin 10% of the company. In return, there was 130 NBN subs at the time are transitioning over to Superloop. That will add 19 mil of EBITDA. And Origin is actually growing its subscriber base quite strongly. It's adding at the moment a run rate of about 100,000 new subscribers on a 12-month basis. Every incremental 50,000 subscriber is worth 7 mil of EBITDA to Superloop. So based on that, they forecast an 80% plus growth in earnings for the next financial year to about $85 million. They got a strong balance sheet with there should be a net cash position at the end of June, very strong cash flows, and that should give them the ability to continue doing some M&A. As I mentioned, it's a takeover target. So Aussie Broadband has 12% holding, and Origin now has 10% with an option to go to 19.9% over the next 9 months, and they'll have to pay whatever the shares trade at the time. So it's trading roughly on 8 times EV to EBITDA next year. We think it's worth about $1.80. The current share price is $1.50, and there's definitely potential for a takeover down the line.